OPTIC Technology Shenzhen Company Limited has been specializing in laser welding machine, fiber laser marking, and cutting technology for the past 13 years. We design and manufacture our products to be highly competitive in pricing and quality. Our products include laser welding machine, fiber laser cutting machine, fiber laser marking machines, UV, MOPA, CO2, green laser marking machine, laser engraving machine, CO2 laser cutting machines, pneumatic marking machines, and non-standard automation equipment. Our company profile has a group of high-level optics, electronics, and precision machinery researchers and developers, international advanced optics and microelectronics test instruments, advanced quality management systems to improve the efficiency of the manufacturing testing process, to create excellent quality products. It has a professional and consummate staff with rich experience dedicated to the pursuit of excellence and the quality of products for the customer. Our commitment is to continue to improve the level of technology by research and development, standardization of scientific management, excellent product quality, and customer service concepts. OPTIC Technology has won an excellent reputation in the global market, and with Germany, the United States, India, Poland, Britain, Russia, Malaysia, and other countries. It has collaborated with well-known companies, and domestic laser research institutes maintained a long-term friendly cooperation. Over the years, our products have been exported to more than 100 countries and regions.